Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back here with another video, and today what I want to talk about is the official Nexus 6P case and the FreedomTech tempered glass screen protector, which is rated 9 out of 10 on the hardness scale. Now this case and the screen protector, actually got them both off of eBay. The case was about 12 bucks and the screen protector was about 3 bucks. Now I was actually going for the cheapest screen protector that I could possibly find, and I came up with this, and honestly it's been pretty good. Now the official case came in 3 different flavors. There was the red wine color, there was this gray whitish beige color, and there was a black color. Now as for me, I actually opted out to go for the black color. As you can see here, it might look a little bit greenish, but it's actually a little bit more it looks like a dark black forest green color. And as you can see, it does have this carpet finish to it, this fabric finish. Now if you ever had like a lint brush and you ever passed your hands through it, this does have that same feel to it. This also comes with a nice design and the official Nexus branding on the back. So you let people I'm rocking a Nexus right now, which is pretty cool. Now as for the tempered glass screen protector, it does have a high transparency, it does have a cleophobic coating, it's electro coated, it has heat resistance, it's rated 9 out of 10 on the hardness scale, and it does have rounded corners. Awesome. So I would definitely recommend this tempered glass case to anyone out there who's looking for one. And as for the case itself, this is one of the tightest cases I've ever owned. Very snug, very tight. There really isn't any give on the corners, not much bendability. In terms of protection, for the front of the screen, you do have these raised lips. So if you're dropping this face first down on a flat surface, you're definitely gonna have screen protection. But if you drop it off like in the sidewalk, I would suggest getting a screen protector. Now as for the cutouts are very precise. There's no jagged edges. Everything was well cut, well built. The USB port, it's fine. Headphone jack, it's fine. You're not gonna have any issues with any big headphones or large chargers. Now, if I did have to complain about something, I would probably say you're gonna have to clean this every few days. If this is gonna be your main device, I probably can't recommend this case. I would probably go with something that's more durable, doesn't get dirty too often. But if you want something that's like, official, you want that official Nexus logo, and you want that pretty design, I would definitely recommend this if you could keep up with cleaning this. These power buttons and the volume rockers, they were just way too hard to push down on. So basically you're just pushing down on a thick slab of plastic. What I've discovered is that if you try to break it in, like you push these buttons outward, if you break them in, it does make it a little bit more soft, and these buttons are a little bit more easier to press down on. If you're going to get this case, I would probably advise you guys not to get this tempered glass screen protector, because the lips actually goes over the screen protector, and if you don't install this, like if it's not precisely fitted into the phone, when you press the power buttons, this plastic is going to push up against this tempered glass. So if you are going to get a screen protector, I would probably recommend one of those plastic screen protectors, those really thin ones. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys were looking for something like that's more durable, I would probably go with a Poetic or a Spigen or even a Suitcase. Those were my other choices, but I'm actually really happy with this case because I wanted that official Nexus branding. I never really had a Nexus device before, so I was really happy to actually get one. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up in the comment section below. And if you guys want to subscribe and you want to see some more content, make sure I hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Alright, peace.